Hi, I'm Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. Today I'd like to show you a nice, fresh, clean trade, one owner, 2018 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. This boat is equipped with the beautiful horizon blue paint job on the outside. It has the upgraded 400 racing motors by Mercury with joystick piloting. This boat is also equipped with Seakeeper stabilization. You won't find a cleaner, nicer equipped 420 Outrage than this particular boat. It's got the fold down seat in the back, that's standard, and the optional fold down seat on the starboard side. Has the tables for the back, has the summer kitchen, the grill, refrigerator, live well, sink, and storage. This boat also has freezer plates in the floor. As you step forward, you can see that this boat has the two-row seating package, which is on all the 420s. So this will fold up and make a second seat. And I can do that for us right here. Pretty simple. You also have air and heat for both the helm and the passengers. This boat also has upgraded sound system, the subwoofer power amp. It has triple Raymarine screens here, and the Mercury SmartCraft. There's your joystick, spotlight, your air conditioning heat, power vent. Your Seakeeper stabilization is up here. Boat's got, of course, power assist steering here. When you walk up onto the bow, this particular boat has a manual awning that will go up, and then have two poles that raise up here on each side, so you can have a nice area to lay out and read a book. It's got the big lounge area here. The table is an electric table, so you can raise it. It's a teak upgrade, so you can raise it up or down here. Then up on the bow, we have, this boat has the stainless steel upgraded anchor, and then you also have the remote for the windlass package here. And everything's finished out so nice on the Boston Whaler. Pop-up cleats. One last thing up here in the bow, there's lots of storage in the floor. Storage is on the side beds, and then you also have lounge seats. So since this boat is a 2018, it is a 60 anniversary edition from Boston Whaler, so 60 years of business for Boston Whaler here. You have ladders on both sides. You got non-skid up on top of the hardtop, where if you wanted to get up there, needed to get up there, you can, to clean, lay out, whatever you'd like to do, get to your electronics. Back here again at the helm, we kind of skipped through a few things. I'd just like to point out that you have a nice area here to step up on. Great visibility, power seat here for the driver, adjustable seats then for the passengers here on each side. Above here, storage area, and it's got all of your hard isinglass. This boat has the full glass enclosures here, isinglass here, so it's going to enclose here, here, and then drop curtain in the back. So you can, in the wintertime, fully enclose this and have air and heat. The boat has generator power, so it will provide all that. Now we're on the inside of the 2018 420. Up above, you got your natural lighting. You can also block it off, or just block off a portion of the sun or the light. You have drapes on the sides. You got a nice hanging locker right here. It goes down to the floor. Blue lighting all throughout. This section up here folds down to dress it up and also to hide stuff that might be back up in there. You can also use it for leg room once you slide the table down and slide this out and make the bed. You have Whaler watch system here on the iPad that comes with it. This one has been cleared of the previous owner's information, so that you can control your awning, your lights, a lot of your systems on board, pumps and all. It's really a neat setup that Whaler has. On this side you have a TV, you have a microwave, sink. It has storage there. It has central vacuum system on it. You have refrigeration here and trash can storage there. Inside the head, nice shower, sink, toilet, very, very well finished out. Rod holders overhead. Air conditioned vents, of course. You open this section here, and on this side you have shore power 1, shore power 2. You got, of course, cabin air and cockpit air. On this side you have your Fusion sound system, Bluetooth. You have freezer plates here for both port and starboard side. Generator to crank it is here. House batteries, engines, batteries, and engine ignition system here, so you can cut it on. It's inside, out of the weather, out of the elements. But Boston Whaler, this is the flagship for Boston Whaler, the 420 Outrage. Again, Joe Jackson, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Beautiful 2018 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage 60th anniversary. And you can reach us at 910-256-8100 or marinemax.com.